Welcome to Automotive World, your ultimate destination for in-depth car reviews, latest updates, and everything automotive. Today, we take a closer look at the 2025 Rolls-Royce Ghost, a masterpiece that redefines luxury and performance. The 2025 Rolls-Royce Ghost is a perfect blend of elegance, sophistication, and state-of-the-art technology. Powered by a 6.75-liter V12 engine, it delivers an effortless performance with 563 horsepower and seamless acceleration. The car is equipped with an advanced all-wheel drive system, ensuring a smooth and stable ride in any condition. The interior of the Ghost is a sanctuary of luxury, featuring exquisite craftsmanship, premium materials, and cutting-edge technology. From hand-stitched leather upholstery to meticulously designed wood veneers, every detail reflects Rolls-Royce's commitment to excellence. The Starlight headliner, a signature feature, adds a celestial touch to the cabin, while the advanced infotainment system keeps you connected with intuitive controls and a crystal-clear display. Passengers can enjoy the rear theater configuration, which provides individual screens for ultimate entertainment. The Ghost also comes with an array of advanced features designed for convenience and safety. The laser headlights provide unparalleled visibility, while the adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist ensure a stress-free driving experience. The Magic Carpet Ride suspension system uses cameras to scan the road ahead and adjust the suspension in real time, delivering an unparalleled ride quality. Exterior design is where the 2025 Rolls-Royce Ghost truly stands out. Its sleek silhouette, iconic Pantheon grille, and Spirit of Ecstasy emblem create a timeless and commanding presence. New for 2025, the illuminated grille adds a modern touch to its classic design. With a range of bespoke options available, buyers can personalize their Ghost to reflect their unique style. The Rolls-Royce Ghost 2025 is not just a car, it's a statement of ultimate luxury and unmatched engineering. It embodies everything that Rolls-Royce stands for: elegance, innovation, and perfection. For more reviews, updates, and insights on the latest cars, subscribe to Automotive World. Join us as we explore the world of automotive excellence.